Hi friends, I am Professor Govind and I welcome you back to the process of learning. Let us restart our learning process after almost a gap of around 5 months. I hope all of you are doing well. Stay home, stay safe. Before we begin formally with the module learning, let us discuss today about the course structure we have, about the syllabus we have in computer application for your 5th semester BCOM. The first module starts with e-commerce. In first module, we'll discuss about what e-commerce is. We'll understand what are the advantages we have with e-commerce. We'll understand the limitations as well. We'll also discuss about the impact of e-commerce on any business model. We'll discuss about different electronic payment systems like credit cards, debit cards, digital cash or e-cash, etc. We'll also discuss about the risks in e-payments, how to design e-payments, what are the prerequisites required, what are the applications of e-business. We'll discuss about internet bookshops, internet banking, etc. Moving forward, Module 2 deals with computer networks. Module 2 deals with computer networks, which is a familiar topic to us. We have discussed about these topics in our second semester. We'll discuss about what computer network is, what are the types of computer networks, and we also will deal in this module with one of the most important topic in the field of computer networks called OSI reference model. OSI reference model is the reason why we are able to share data amongst computers from one corner of the world to the other corner of the world. This is how the network works based on OSI reference model. So in this model, we'll understand, in module 2 we'll understand how exactly the network works. So far we have discussed about the types of networks in our second semester, but now we'll understand how exactly the network works. Module 3 deals with HTML, wherein we learn how to design a web page and how to design a website. We'll learn different formatting options, we'll learn how to insert images, we'll learn how to insert graphs, we'll learn how to link one page to the other page, etc. In short, we'll learn designing websites in module 3 with the help of coding technique called HTML. Then we have is application development in module 4. We'll design applications like we did using C language in semester 4. But this time we'll be using one more application development software called Visual Basic.net. VB.net is a visual tool available to design any kind of application. Visual Basic is a common platform wherein you can design applications using different programming languages. In module 4, we'll learn what Visual Basic.net is, in short called as VB.net. So in module 4, we'll learn what VB.net is, what are the tools available in VB.net, and how applications can be designed using VB.net. The last one we have is EDI, module 5, and EPS. In 5th module, we'll learn about what EDI is, that is electronic data interchange is, and what are electronic payment systems we have. We'll discuss about the security systems should be attached to EPS, electronic payment systems, and how information can be transferred, can be received using electronic data interchange, that is EDI. So this is about the course outline, friends. Let us have an introduction. Let us start with module 3. We'll begin our journey of 5th semester with module 3. That is, we'll start our journey with HTML coding technique. So let us understand in this video what exactly HTML is. We'll have a brief introduction to HTML, and further part will continue with the next video. So let me switch my window to HTML PPT and let us understand what exactly HTML is. HTML is hypertext markup language. Hypertext is any text one which is available on internet, second one which can have a connectivity. By connectivity I mean you can link one part of text to the other part of text, or you can link text available on one page to the other page. And we all know internet has this capability, and we all know such a topic, I mean such a process is available in each and every website. Markup language. So hypertext, let me repeat, hypertext is the one which has the capability to link or get linked from one page to the other page. Markup language. Markup language is the technique of formatting text. Markup language is the capability of formatting text, processing text, and defining text. So if you combine these words, hypertext, markup language, in simple terms, it is nothing but you can display your text on a page called web page, which is available on internet, in a style that you want, in a formatting style that you want. In order to display your text or information on internet, on a website, you will have to write your code in a language called HTML, hypertext markup language. Hence, to design our web page or website, we'll have to take help of the language called HTML language. Let us understand the basics of HTML. Hypertext markup language is a language of web pages, or in other terms, HTML is a language which is used to design web pages. One thing that you will have to note here is HTML is not a programming language like C or VB.NET. Programming languages are used to design applications or softwares, but HTML is used to design web pages but not applications. The creation of this language called HTML can be attributed to the research work of Tim Berners-Lee, and HTML was designed in the year 1990. The engineer called Tim Berners-Lee and his team worked on the technique of HTML, and they designed first web page using HTML in the year 1990. And to remind you, something that we have learned in 4th semester, Tim Berners-Lee is the person who is responsible for distributing internet to common people like us. Until then, it was available only to US Army. So Tim Berners-Lee has worked a lot on the technique of internet, and also on this technique, on this language called HTML. HTML is used to mark up a text document. The marks we use indicate type of format or style that should be used when displaying the marked text. As I said earlier, the term markup means formatting your text and displaying your text in a way that you wish or want. So markup is a style. Markup is a technique of displaying your text with a formatting style that you wish. HTML supports multimedia and document link. Multimedia is a combination of graphics, text, audio, video, and animation. And HTML also supports document link, that is connectivity from one page to other page, from one text to other text. HTML uses tags enclosed in angle brackets as commands or statements to build a web page. This is the grammar that we have in HTML. Like we had certain grammar with C language as well, that each and every statement must end with semicolon. We don't have those many rules in HTML, but the only rule that we have in HTML is each and every command should be encoded or should be enclosed within angular brackets. Angular brackets are lesser than and greater than symbols. Probably the only rule that we have that we should remember while designing HTML code, while designing our web page using HTML code. HTML is a simple markup language used to create hypertext documents that are portable from one platform to other platform. It is used to define and describe layout of web pages. By portability, we mean here it is not dependent on any make of a machine, neither it is dependent on any operating system. If you want to work with a web page using HTML, You can use any operating system that you have, for example Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Unix, Linux, or even Android as well. So you can work on HTML using any of your operating system, and it is neither dependent on any machine or any hardware. You can work on HTML using the older machines, older computers as well, and it can be worked out with a new computer with a new model as well. Such a facility or such a process is called portability. HTML provides facility where all the information could be made available at one place, and the user could access information about any topic of his interest just by pressing button. And we all know this paragraph means website where all information is combined at one place. They can access information just by typing in the name of a website or a URL. So using HTML, you can insert information at different pages, and using HTML itself, we can combine all those pages, and the combination of all those web pages itself is called as website. HTML helps in relating several information which is already stored in computer to anybody in the world. This is what is the use of any website, so that you can make your information available to any person from any part of the world. An HTML document can contain text, pictures, links to other related information or documents. HTML is simple to learn, implement, and allows user to display information in an attractive manner. Once we start practical sessions on this, probably you will endorse the statement that HTML is quite easy to learn. We have got less number of commands available. We will be using the same commands repetitively, and we don't have any complex structure, we don't have any complex grammar while learning HTML. So it is quite simple to learn, it is quite simple to understand, and you can display your text on internet in an attractive manner, in a formatted manner. We'll understand this once we start our practical sessions. Like we have versions with any other software, like we have versions with any other language, we have versions with HTML as well. We have HTML versions like 1.0, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, etc. HTML5 is the latest version available. Now, these are the common terms used on the internet. The first one is www, that is World Wide Web. That itself is the internet, wherein all the information can be accessed, can be stored, centralized. Then we use is web server. Now the internet works on one platform called server client platform. Server is the machine or the computer which stores all the information and which supplies information to the client. So these are the terms which we need to remember while learning HTML. Thank you for your patient listening. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.